Hey guys, music has always been a source of joy and a beloved hobby for many people. However, have you ever considered the possibility of turning your passion for music into a side hustle? I firmly believe that it is indeed possible. Starting music-related side hustle can not only provide you with an additional stream of income, but also open up new opportunities to enhance your financial stability or even transform your career into something truly fulfilling. But before this video, guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Now, here are 5 best side hustles for music lovers. The first one is become a music teacher. If you possess proficiency in playing a musical instrument and have a desire to share your knowledge and skills with others, embarking on a journey as a music teacher can be a rewarding option. This avenue allows you to not only indulge in your passion for music, but also make a positive impact on aspiring musicians. As a music teacher, you have the flexibility to choose the format that suits you the best. You can opt for in-person lessons where you can connect with students directly, offering personalized guidance and fostering a hands-on learning experience. This approach allows for a deeper connection with your students, enabling you to tailor your teaching methods to their specific needs and goals. Alternatively, with the advancements in technology, you can explore the realm of online tutoring, leveraging video classes and virtual platforms. This digital format opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to reach students from different locations and backgrounds. The second one is start creating content on YouTube. Platforms like YouTube offer a remarkable opportunity to showcase your talent, knowledge, and creativity while earning a steady income. As a music content producer, you can experiment with various video formats and cater to different interests within the music community. For instance, you can create content where you listen to and analyze songs, providing viewers with valuable insights into the composition, lyrics, and production techniques. This type of content not only enhances the appreciation of music, but also helps viewers develop a deeper understanding of their favorite songs. Another avenue you can pursue is introducing music enthusiasts to new artists and genres. By curating playlists, showcasing lesser-known musicians, and sharing your personal recommendations, you can become a trusted source for music discovery, building a loyal following of music enthusiasts who appreciate your taste and expertise. Another one is Songwriter. If you possess a talent for crafting compelling lyrics and composing music, exploring songwriting as a side hustle can be an exciting avenue to pursue. Songwriting allows you to channel your creativity and artistic expression while potentially earning income by creating music for yourself or collaborating with other artists. As a songwriter, you have the freedom to create music that reflects your unique style and voice. You can write songs that resonate with your personal experiences, emotions, and perspectives, allowing you to express yourself authentically through your music. Whether you specialize in a particular genre or prefer to experiment with various musical styles, your songwriting skills can serve as a powerful tool for self-expression. Moreover, the potential for collaboration opens up additional opportunities to monetize your songwriting abilities. You may choose to team up with other songwriters, musicians, or producers to create music together. Another one is voiceover talent. If you have a very nice voice, you have an asset that can potentially be utilized for a side hustle in the field of voiceover work. Your understanding of how to deliver a strong performance on a microphone gives you a unique advantage in exploring diverse opportunities to lend your voice to various projects. One avenue to consider is providing voiceovers for advertisements and promotional materials for local radio or television stations. Your ability to modulate your voice, convey emotion, and capture the attention of listeners can make you a desirable choice for brands and businesses looking to create impactful and engaging advertising campaigns. By lending your vocal talents to these projects, you can not only earn additional income but also expand your creative horizons by exploring different genres and styles of voiceover work. Another one is start creating and selling music. If you have a passion for creating music, there are numerous numerous avenues available for you to monetize your talent and turn your love of music into a profitable side business. By exploring various platforms and strategies, you can generate extra income from your original compositions and potentially create a pathway towards early or more comfortable retirement. One option is to sell your music directly to listeners by uploading your songs to online music services. Platforms like iTunes and Amazon Music allow independent artists to distribute their music and offer it for sale to a global audience. By setting your own prices or utilizing a pay what you want model, you can provide fans and music enthusiasts with the opportunity to support your work by purchasing your songs. This direct-to-listener approach not only allows you to retain control over your music, but also offers a potential source of revenue that can steadily accumulate over time. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Guys, do you want to start a side hustle? Leave your comments down below. So guys, if you like this video, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.